Nobody needs a Nicholas in his videos. Nobody needs you in new videos, Nicholas. Hi. So, we are back. It's Kelly. We're back. We are Nicholas. Trying to vlog with a cat. Nick. Seriously. He likes to hold on to the door and look out the window. So we are trying to do a vlog with a cat. I have nothing, so much to edit out. So we are not going out yet. I'm pretty much over COVID. I feel pretty good. My energy level is not 100%. Maybe 70. But just to play it safe, we're not going out yet. We're gonna stay in for the weekend and just chill. But while we're doing that, I decided it would be a really great day today to make a dip and then share that with you. We have a few things coming up in February. We have Super Bowl without Tom Brady for once, so everybody will be watching. Don't hate me in the comments for that. We have Valentine's Day, and this dip is perfect for all of that. So it's super easy, super simple. It is a red pepper whipped feta dip. So let's make that. Yeah, let's do that now. So I'm going to show you how to make this using a blender. If you have a food processor, you could use that too. But everybody kind of has a blender, so we're going to do a blender. And this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some feta. You're going to need some cream cheese, a lemon, some everything bagel seasoning, just plain Greek yogurt, roasted red peppers, and you need olive oil. So mine is in a spray bottle. One spray is 1 teaspoon, I believe, of olive oil. It says it on the thing. I better check that. But this is what you're going to need for your dip. We're going to stick it all in here, whip it up, and try it together. And it should be fantastic. Alright, so to begin, we need the feta. We need a whole block of feta in there. Alright. And we're going to need 4 ounces of cream cheese. So 1 block is 8 ounces. I think you can buy 4 ounces. Don't. Buy 8 ounces and then put the other half of this away. And I'll show you what to do with it later. So about half. We need about that much. We still have this issue. A 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. I got the Chobani non-fat plain Greek yogurt. So about half of this. I went ahead and pulled out the big thing of olive oil. So 3 tablespoons, 3 dashes, 1, oh jeez, 3. Yeah, I'm kind of eyeballing all this. Alright, juice of half a lemon. Oh my gosh, I'm one-handing everything. Alright, first off, I see you in there. I thought I got them all, but I did not. We don't need seeds. We don't need seeds. Alright. Now we need 4 ounces of roasted red pepper. I'm going to say 2 big ones, but I have to open the jar. So stay tuned. Alright, can't open the jar. So now let's try. Yes. See, we don't need guys to open our jars, ladies. You just whack it off the table. It works. Alright, these aren't that big. So 4 ounces, which is about a 1/4 cup, if that were to help. Oh, there we go. How about that? I'm pretty sure if you add just a little bit more, or maybe not as much, you can just do this until you think you're right, or up until your taste, you know. Because you try it the first time. I think that's enough. We'll test it, and then if we need to add a little bit more, we can do that too. Alright. Let's see what else we need. Alright, so it does say we need the everything we need the everything bagel seasoning, and we need more olive oil to drizzle on top. Do I need that in there though, or because it says to taste? What if I added to both? What if I just added it in there and then added it on the top? Because I don't think that would be bad. Let's try it. Why not? I mean, I love this stuff, so it's not gonna be bad, right? All right, we're gonna blend it. It's starting to look good. Let's try it just a little bit to see if we need to add more. Okay. Oof. Oh, that's got a nice little bite to it. I want to add a little bit more pepper. And I think that's it. But I'm going to add just maybe one. I don't know. Let's add like this. Oh, that's huge. Let's not add that. What if we added like half of this? All right. I went with like that much. We're going to just add this in there just for a little bit of an extra pepper taste. Push the sides down a little bit so that those little bits around the sides get all in there. Guys, not bad so far. Very good. Guys, look at that color. Ah, it got so nice. Look. Oh my goodness. All right, taste test too. That's what it needed. Oh, that's so perfect. All right, let me show you how we're gonna plate this up and what to do with that extra cream cheese. I know you have extra, like a half a lemon. Use it for your drinks. Use it for your drinks. Have like tea or water or iced tea or whatever and just add it to your drinks. Yogurt, I will actually put away, and then later tonight, if we get hungry, I'll make smoothies and add just that little bit of extra yogurt to the smoothie. It just makes it a little bit creamier. So, yeah, definitely use up all your ingredients, but let me at least show you how to use the extra cream cheese and plate all this up. So, let's check it out. Alright, I'm not being all matchy-matchy right now, but just a nice deep bowl, and we're going to pour that in. Oh, it looks so nice. Alright, let me scrape that out. Hold on, look at that, though. Just look at that. It's so nice. Alright, on top, just a little drizzle of olive oil. I'm really bad at this. And we're going to do some extra, because why not? I'm going to serve this with some vegetables. Let me cut them up, get them on here. So here we are, the whole setup. We have some cucumbers. We have some little sweet peppers. A couple different types of crackers. And then what I did with my extra cream cheese is I took some of my bigger peppers, added the cream cheese, and a little bit of everything bagel seasoning. This is one of my favorite snacks. This is so good. So just a little bit extra you can add from there. Pickles, olives, cheeses, whatever you need. But it's a nice basis and center for the whole thing. And it is absolutely delicious. It's absolutely delicious and delicious. It's both. It's just both. Let me know if you're going to try this in the comment section, or if you did already. This would be amazing if you did the same recipe. Take out the roasted red peppers and put roasted garlic in it. I think it would make an amazing dip as well. Yeah, this is a success. I'm so happy with this. It's so good. You can still get that bite from the feta, that little bit of sharpness from the feta. But the roasted peppers, and especially on a sweet pepper like that, brings out such a nice little sweetness. And then the creaminess. Yeah, this is well put together. I like it. Let me know if you're going to make it, or if you have made it in the past and absolutely love it like I do. In the meantime, give me a big thumbs up if you like what you saw today. Would you like to see more? This is not the Nicholas show. Nicholas, I know you like looking out the window, but you were interrupting me and my natural lighting. I know, I'm sorry. Give me you know what? Give me a big thumbs up for Nick. Hashtag Nick needs to be in every video. If you like what you saw today. And Nicholas. Yeah, big thumbs up for everything. Just thumbs up in the comments, thumbs up everywhere. Subscribe for future notifications. Do you like these types of videos? Would you like to see more different types of recipes, quick recipes like this, TikTok recipes, the whole 9 yards? Or do you really love the travel videos? A mixture of both? Let me know. Push that subscribe button, and until we eat again, stay geeky.